everyone. I'm glad to welcome you today to our short presentation on what the weblink concept actually is. So I'm very happy you all join in, and we will just, I think, take about 10-15 minutes to gain a short impression on it. So before we start, my name is Anna and I'm responsible for the weblink concepts and weblink partnerships at CareMed. So CareMed ensures worldwide, so internationally, work and travelers, volunteers, au pairs, students traveling the world. I would like to start with a short citation, which is, if one does not know to which port one is sailing, no wind is favorable. This is from Seneca. And I think this also fits very well to the situation of traveling abroad, because your students, your participants, if they are prepared, they know exactly what you do in a difficult situation or in an emergency. So preparation is very important. And I think one important point of the preparation is the appropriate travel insurance coverage for this day. So let's get started and take a look at it. So we cover, you see, many programs, exchange programs, study abroad, high school, work and travel, au pair, and so on. So we work internationally and also for diverse concepts and also diverse programs. So why should you choose the weblink concept? Why can it be advantages for you? So you surely want to make sure that your participants traveling abroad, either inbound or outbound, are insured and also safe during their stay, and take out insurance before their stay abroad. And a further advantage is you may avoid administrative work and also financial obligations. So in this case, the weblink concept is the right solution for you. And you also prefer that your participants or the parents of your participants take out the insurance on their own, so you do not have to do it for them. So with the weblink concept, you can implement a banner on your website, and we also provide a text tracking link to you. And in this case, the weblink concept is convenient for you to reach your objectives and also to make a contribution to your income. So what are we going to have a look at today? So first of all, how does the concept actually work? And then also what advantages are there for your or your agency and your participants? How do your participants apply? And also we have prepared some advantages and a short schedule of benefits and the documents. So how does the concept work? So first of all, we send the agreement to your agency and also the link in order to take a look at all the available banners. So you choose your banner. You can make your choice, what fits to your website layout, and what do you think also is good for your participants, so what really targets your participants. So we have different banners depending on different programs. Afterwards, you return the signed agreement, and we send the tracking link and also all information in order to implement the banner to you. And then again, it's your turn. You implement the banner on your website and you send the tracking link to your participants. And then you're already ready for applications and your participants can travel abroad safely. So there are two implementations. So we have the implementation of the banner. So you receive all information in order to implement the banner on your website by email. You look for a suitable space on your website that you think the banner fits well, and then you simply copy the HTML code into the designated part of your website code. And then you can also use the text link. So you look for a suitable space in your email to insert the tracking link, and you simply copy the tracking link in your email in order to send it to your participants. And that's already it. So you see, it's very easy to get started with this. So what are the advantages for your agency? So you get a commission without any investment. You can also follow up on your sales because we send a monthly report to you so that you see the activity via the text link and the tracking link and the banner. And you can make sure your participants are well insured during their entire stay abroad. And of course, you also provide an additional service, and this is also a unique selling point for you. What are the advantages for your participants? Because our concept doesn't only offer advantages for you, the participants are also very important for us. So we offer worldwide insurance application in only 4 steps. So no matter where your participants come from, they take out insurance prior to departure, and we may offer applicable insurance coverage. And it's in a secure online application, and of course it's compliant with the privacy protection. And we have unlimited medical coverage in case of acute illness or acute illness or accident. And of course, we have a 24-hour emergency assistance, and it's also available in multi-languages. So how do your participants apply? So we learned they get the quote via banner tracking link that's implemented on your website or your email links. Afterwards, they take out insurance in just 4 short steps, and insurance documents will be available and emailed to the participants, and they are already ready for their safe journey. So we have prepared 2 examples for you. So let's take a look at the examples. So this is one of our clients who has implemented 2 banners and also a text. So this is recommendable. Just also implement a text next to the banners. So this makes it easier for your participants. So they know it's a partner you trust, you work together with. So they know it's safe to click on this banner. We also have a second example. This is also one of our partners we work with, and they have also implemented a separate sub page for the insurance. So you see insurance and a small banner and also a text in order just to introduce the participants to their insurance partner for international students in this case. So as you know, we work with many programs, so not only students. So this is the example in order to get an idea of how it could look like. So maybe you already get inspired how it could look like on your website. So let's take a look at the schedule of benefits. So this is an example if your participants come from Europe and travel to the USA, CareMed Global will be applicable for them. Of course, we also insure participants who are not from the EU. In this case, another insurance option will be applicable. So this is a schedule of benefits just to take a look at it, health insurance and so on. And also travel accident insurance, travel assistance, travel luggage insurance, travel third-party liability insurance. So I think it doesn't make much sense to go into too detailed, and kindly also take note that the full terms and conditions are of course complete. This is just the overview of benefits, and it may also change from policy to policy year. We may also take a look at CareMed Travel App. This is applicable for participants traveling outside USA and Canada. So you also see the schedule of benefits for the travel health accident insurance, accident and liability insurance, and also return trip emergency and luggage insurance. So just take your time to take a look at it. I don't want to go into too detail. You know, we have unlimited medical coverage in case of acute illness and accident, and of course also medical repatriation is covered. And the participants can choose if they want to take out travel health insurance, only travel health accident insurance, or also additionally further modules. So what does the insurance documents look like? So we have the insurance confirmation, and the upper part serves as an ID card for the applicant. So the upper part can be detached and put in the wallet. So you have all the important contact details for claims officers and also the emergency number for your participants. So in an emergency, they can just take a look at this, have it in their wallet, and they know what to do. On the insurance confirmation, you also find the schedule of benefits, and again, the emergency contact and claims office, and of course also personal details of the insured and information on visa acceptance. So these are the schedule of benefits and contact details for the claims office, so your participants really know what to do in case of an emergency. This is the weblink agreement that we have together, so your organization and CareMed. And you see these are the information on commission. The commission depends on the turnover in the applicable year. And if you're interested to start our cooperation, simply feel free to contact us. We will be very happy to see what we can do with you, so to partner with you. This is the information on commission. And as I said before, you will also receive a monthly report. So beginning of the next month, you receive the report for the last month. So you can follow up on your activities via the weblink at banner. So you have the information on commission. Let's say the organization A has generated 36,000 euro and 12,000 US dollar in 2017. So we will have the commission for euro, it's 8%. So we have 2,880 euro as commission and 6% for US dollar. So it's 720 US dollar commission. So you see, this also contributes to your income. I would like to thank you very much for your attention, and I'm very glad you joined us today. Please feel free to contact us for any questions and any suggestions. We are always pleased to hear from you and to find an applicable for you a solution for your agency, for your organization, and also, of course, for your participants. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a lovely day.